Guys, it's Allison, your medical office director here at the Pacific Clinic, and I'll be taking you on a tour of our medical office. When you enter the double doors of the facility, you will hang a left and our suite will be right through the glass door. We will be adding behavioral health with Kathleen Lawrence next month and adding a new female provider this fall whose focus specialties are pediatrics, women's health, and geriatrics. As you enter the medical office, that is me greeting you. Our primary care coordinators are Grace, who works with physical therapy and massage therapy, and Taylor, who works with behavioral health and primary care. Next is our pharmacy that will deliver to your home. This is Mitchell Parks, who is our full-time primary care provider. He specializes in preventative wellness care using a blend of conventional, functional, and integrative medicine principles. This is Kiso Archurk, who is our full-time physical therapist. Over here is where our physical therapists do stretching and mobility work. You will also see them in the pool and utilizing several other areas of the PC. Up next is our primary care patient room where you will have your visits with Mitchell. Last stop on our tour is our massage therapy rooms. Our massage therapists have several different massage styles and techniques to fit all of your needs. Some of our massage services offered are deep tissue, fully clothed Thai, sinus and migraine relief, Swedish, cupping, hot stone, aromatherapy, and much more. Be sure to stop by the next time you're at the Pacific Clinic. See you then!